Hello everybody, welcome to the Mystery Steamboat channel. If you subscribed already, a big thumbs up to you. If you're not subscribed, there's a button for subscriptions, there's a bell for notifications when I upload a new video. Now I'm doing another little card trick for you now. Now this little set of cards here, these are nice little Florida cards here, they're basically cards between 1 and 10 because you're not here to shout out a number or think of a number between 1 and 10. So I am going to shuffle them up a little bit there, show them there so you can see they're all random. We're going to pick out, say, that card there. I've got no idea what that card is there, so I'll pop it down there for the minute. We'll come back to that in a memento. And then what we've got here are some bicycle deck of cards, which I thought employed, which are quite nice cards. So I'm going to shuffle them up a little bit there. You can sort of see there that they're all randomised. Can you see that? I don't know if you can see that or not really. I'm doing it from this angle, but I don't know if you can see it or not, because I'm sort of looking there. I can see that there's all randomised cards there. You perhaps can't see that. I don't know. Can you see? Let me just perhaps have to look a little bit lower. Yeah, can you see that? Anyway, they're all randomised cards. So what I'll do is I'm just going to I'll hold on to them there. That card there has got a number on it, right? So if that's a 1, then when I start showing you these cards, you remember the first card that I show you. If it's 2, you remember the second card. If it's 3, you remember the third card. 4, 5, 6, 6, remember the 6th card. 7, 8, 9, until the 10, and then remember the 10th card. So whatever that card is there, you remember the corresponding card that I show you. Yeah? 2, second card. 3, third card. 7, 7th card. Yeah? If you're not too sure, watch your back again, right? So remember that. So I'm now going to say, there's the first card. Yeah? There's the second card. There's the third card. There's the fourth card. There's the fifth card. There's the sixth card. There's the seventh card. There's the eighth card. There's the ninth card. And if it gets it there, there is the 10th card. Yeah? So, if you're not quite sure what it was, rewind back, see what number that was, and then play it back again to find out what your card was. Yeah? First, second, third, fourth, up to the 10th card. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put some cards behind me so I can't see what I'm doing, and I am going to basically find a marker card which is going to help me find your card. So let's just see. This is really tricky because really what I should be doing is turning around, but it's hard to turn around when you're sitting on the chair. Trust me. So I'm going to sort of do that, maybe a little bit there, and I think that's going to do. I think I have found an indicator card, and I'll bring them back there. Right? So, your card is in there somewhere, corresponding to that. So let's just see what that was there, right? That was the card. You remembered it was the first, second, third, fourth, fifth corresponding card. So let's just see. It was the third card, right? It was the third card. So, because I'm going to spread them out a little bit there, and they're all there, I found an indicator card. In fact, let me just lose those cards there. I'll lose those cards there, and I'll lose those cards there, a bit there, because we don't want those in a minute. Then I might be able to show you those cards there. Right. Can you see those cards there? I'm going to try not to look at them, right? But I had a number 2, yeah, as my indicator card, and that told me that your card is going to be next to the number 2, and next to that card is that card there. So when I turn it up, you're going to go, "Wow, how's he done that?" The simple answer is because that is magic.